Are you confused about Kubernetes networking? What's the difference between NodePort, LoadBalancer, and Ingress? If you've ever tried to expose your app to the outside world and didn't know which option to use, you're not alone. In this video, I'll break it all down step by step. You'll see exactly how these Kubernetes networking options work, and we'll run through a live demo to make it all click. Let's start with NodePort and see it in action. Since we're running Kubernetes with K3D, the NodePort isn't automatically exposed on the local host. Instead, we'll use the cluster node's internal Docker IP. Now let's clean up the NodePort service so we can expose the app with a load balancer instead. We'll expose the deployment using a load balancer service. On cloud providers, this would automatically provision an external load balancer and assign a public IP address. In K3D, there's no built-in cloud load balancer, so we'll simulate external access by connecting directly to the cluster's node IP. Let's test the load balancer service. We're accessing it through the cluster node IP on port 80, and as you can see, the Nginx web server responds successfully. Next, we'll clean up the load balancer service and prepare to set up an Ingress controller. Before we can use Ingress, we need to re-expose the app as a cluster IP service. This creates a stable internal endpoint for the Ingress to route traffic to. In K3D, the Trafic Ingress controller is installed by default. Let's check that it's running in the kube system namespace. Now let's create an Ingress resource. This Ingress will route any traffic for hello.local to our Nginx service. Finally, we'll test the Ingress. We'll add hello.local to our host file and open it in a browser. And there we go. Our request is routed through the Ingress controller to the Nginx service. We've now walked through exposing Kubernetes services using NodePort, Load Balancer, and Ingress. If you found this helpful, check out our Kubernetes playlists and subscribe for more DevOps tutorials every week.